Motorola Moto G8 Plus review, a battery boost for the budget king. Over the last few years, Motorola's Moto G series phones have been consistently excellent budget devices. In fact, the Moto G7 is our current pick for the best budget phone available today. Now Lenovo-owned Motorola is back with the first of its G8 range of devices. This is the £239, €269 or about $306 Motorola Moto G8 Plus, which sits at the top end of the affordable G series lineup thanks to its more powerful processor and higher resolution main camera. It's available in Europe, Australia, Mexico, and Latin America, but it's not currently scheduled to release in the US. Network Technology GSM, HSPA, LTE launch announced 2019, October status available. Released 2019, October body dimensions 158.4 by 75.8 by 9.1 mm 6.24 by 2.98 by 0.36 in, weight 188 grams 6.63 ounces, SIM single SIM, Nano-SIM, or hybrid dual SIM, Nano-SIM, dual standby, splash-resistant display Type LTPS IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16mm colors size 6.3 inches, 99.1 square centimeters, approximately 82.5% screen-to-body ratio, resolution 1080 by 2280 pixels, 19:9 ratio, approximately 400 pixels per inch density, platform OS Android 9.0 Pie, chipset Qualcomm SDM665, Snapdragon 665, 11 nanometers, CPU Octa-core, 4x2.0 GHz Kryo 260 Gold and 4x1.8 GHz Kryo 260 Silver, GPU Adreno 610 memory card slot microSD, up to 512 GB, uses shared SIM slot, internal 64 GB 4 GB RAM, main camera triple 48 MP, f1.7, wide, 1/2, 0.8 micrometers, PDAF, laser AF 16 MP, f2.2, 14 mm ultrawide, dedicated video camera 1080p, 5MP, f2.2, depth sensor features LED flash, HDR, panorama video 2160p at 30 fps, 1080p at 30, 6120th fps selfie camera single 25 MP, f2.0, 0.9 micrometers features HDR video 1080p at 3120th fps sound loudspeaker yes, with stereo speakers 3.5 mm jack yes, active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, Dolby Sound comms, WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11a b per gram, NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot Bluetooth 5.0, A2DP, LA, aptX GPS yes, with a GPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo NFC yes, market dependent, radio FM, radio USB 2.0, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector, USB on-the-go features sensors fingerprint, rear-mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass battery non-removable LiPo 4000 mAh battery charging 15W misc colors dark blue, dark red. Good stuff, excellent battery life, headphone jack, sensible Android tweaks, solid day-to-day performance. Bad stuff, no wireless charging, finicky camera exposure, no Android 10 at launch, no IP water resistance rating.